Hello, aspirants. I'm again from Inkar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 30th December current affairs. The topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is oil companies backtrack on renewables. The topic comes under our GS3 science and technology. The first of all, why it is in the news. Some oil companies have made the investment in the renewable energy, but others have been criticized but not doing enough. That the Shell has made a commitment to renewable energy, including investing $3 billion in its renewable and its energy solution business and acquiring 49% of the share investment in 2022. And also other oil companies that is have target of the renewable energy, including that BP aims to 50 gigawatts by 2030. Total Energies that plan install 20 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2025. And Repsol that is a board target 15 gigawatt by 2030. Equinor that target is 12 to 16 gigawatt by 2035. There is a many criticism over there. However, some say that oil companies are not doing enough to transition to renewable energy. They are still expanding their fossil fuels, and also there is a operation and lobbying the new permits and also leasing that there are spending money on stock buybacks and also dividends instead of the investing in renewable energy. And also there is a decision not to transition to renewable energy is short-sighted, and also we need to go back that the trend of oil companies scaling back the renewable energy investment can be tried to that variety of economic market. And also that's a strategic factor. First of all, we must know that there is a profitable consensus required. That is a renewable often have lower for profit margin and compared to the oil and gas. So there's a volatility in the oil and gas market can lead the company to prioritize the high margin investment in maintain the shareholder values, so they can maintain the shareholders values. And also there is a uncertainty is there. There is a regulatory and policy uncertainty. There is a delays in the charges of the government policies promoting the renewable energy could discourage the investments in the renewable sources. And also there is a subsidy cuts of the lack of incentives for the renewable energy may shift back to the that fossils and fuels. So these are the main policy drawbacks. And also there is a global energy demand is there, and also there is a governing demand for the fossil fuels, especially in developing countries, may encourage the company to expand traditional energy operations. And also there is a shortage and instability of the global energy supply chain can push companies to the maximize output from existing resources. And also there is a cost. First of all, there is a cost transition. That is a transition of the renewable often requires a massive upfront investment. That is a technology, infrastructure, R&D. There is a investment is massive, not accountable. And also there is a companies may reprioritize preserve the capital during the economic downturns. And also there is a PR and greenwashing. There is a some companies may have there is a they can initially compromise their energy renewable committees commitment on as a part of public relations strategies, and but backtracking could reflect a focus on core business areas instead of the diversifying into a renewables. And also there's a technology that is a major issue that competing the establishing renewable energy firms might provide the difficult for the traditional oil companies. And also there's a technological barrier in the renewable energy projects such as storage efficiency issues may limit their feasibility. And also there is a market pressure over there. There is a shareholders investor might demand quicker returns, and also which fossil fuels typically provide compared to a long-term renewable energy projects. By rising the energy resource prices can make the traditional oil and gas operation more attractive for the market. And also there is a strategy shift. That is, companies might pivot to focus on the decarbonizing the oil and gas operations instead of diving into renewables. And also there is can emphasize the carbon capture and storage, hydrogen or biofuels could align better with their existing expertise. These are the things that oil companies backtrack on renewables. Thank you so much.